If you are planning to import or migrate data over to Express 365 Cloud Accounting software, you can go to our website www.express365.com.my. When you reach here, scroll all the way to the bottom where you can see all the list of the import data that you can download into your computer. Also, in the system itself, there's a few places where you can download the template. For example, if you want to import in your cash sales or if you want to import in your sales invoices, both of them are at the bottom here, shown in the blue color highlighted template. Also, in the banking, cash receipt and cash payment, there's a template sample where you can click on it and also to download it into your computer. Okay, so basically these are the few places where you can download the template.